boys, it is a new week, new Monday, boom, and it is time to actually, like, we have new opportunities to follow our rules, to be patient. It's like you versus you, it's me versus me, and if I don't do the things that I wanted to do, and if I don't follow my system and be patient and just fuck up everything, then it is my fault that I didn't destroy my life. So we are back on the market, opens in 5 minutes, looks really terrible, looks actually like shit. So let's hop on a higher time frame. Yeah, bro, this is actually cooked. 4 hour time, like, bro, there's nothing, right? If you want to rip higher, it's like 300 points away on the 4 hour time frame. The closest target is the 4 hour fair value gap below us, which is actually really good. I think this is a nice target because look how overextended we are on the 1 hour time frame. We didn't get a proper retrace, right? Market moves like this, and we actually, boom, this is what the chart looks like right now. So no higher time frame retrace. Bro, what is this? That's why I'm expecting maybe we will fill this new week opening gap, which will also be pretty fire. Yeah, I think lower targets are the play today, or we just chop around, because look at this 15 minutes, bro. On this and this 5 minutes, I want to see us break out of this range. Boom, and then target higher or lower. Yeah, but that's it. Let's see what we get today. So yeah, guys, like kinda expected, it was a shitty day. I kinda really wanted to see two things happen. Either we go and start chopping off market open and we pump higher, then it means no trading day, or it just displays down, confirm the draws on liquidity below, because we are like, what is this candle, bro? We are really overextended, so I wouldn't, bro, what the fuck? Because we are in this higher time frame gaps, really overextended, next high is like 300 points away, so it really just makes sense for us to go lower to the draw liquidities that I marked out, like this 4 hour gap right here, this 4 hour gap, and like a new week opening gap below. And ES had some nice highs as well, the same high, just was more bullish, and I took 0 trades, as you can see right here. Boom, 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 0 trades, locked myself out at 10:30. I think I can show you why. It's pretty easy. Off market open, we just pump, boom, we just start pumping, get a nice retrace, flip, and then immediately, like 5 minutes into market open, low volume. Like, look at those candles, boys. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, basically 9 candles, we moved 50 points. This is like really shit. And then from there we start chopping. ES was actually more bullish, and we were really close to those highs. And I saw some people take this. I wouldn't take this on my live account, bro. Never ever I would take this on my XFA. Maybe on demo just to learn discretion. And I think that's what I did, but I don't really know anymore. Look, we get a slow retrace just before the highs into... Okay, it's not really slow. It's a nice retracement to a 5 minute gap. And then we start chopping. For me, this is chop. Like, if we do nothing for 7 candles in a 5 minute gap, this is chop. And the flip outside of the 5 minute gap is still weaker than this whole retrace, so I'm not entering right here, bro. Also, I never traded ES, and would you look at that? Bro, we just chop, and then out of nowhere, we started dumping. You just gotta recognize when there is a bad draw liquidity, and you gotta recognize when there are bad market conditions. And usually when we have bad draw liquidities, there will be bad market conditions, and we start chopping, do some bullshit, don't get an entry or something like that. That's why also I made a TikTok on this, put in some work right now, because soon I need to go to the gym, post some reels, do some stuff, some stories. Guys, you know all of that. All my needle movers for today. I also need to finish a school course. And yeah, whatever. Like, when the draw liquidity is bad and we are not moving with volume towards it, just stay out, boys. There is no reason to force a setup in a bad market conditions, because you guys all know it will be lower probability. And why do you want to trade something that has lower probability? Because trading is all about having a higher probability in the market, in the trade, to capitalize from that. And yeah, that's why we don't trade bad market conditions and recognize them. Made myself ready, ate 500 grams of cooked buckwheat like 3 hours ago, just grabbed myself 2 bananas, took a quick shower, and now, guys, it is time to complete the last task. Crushed our day today, vlogged nicely. Also recorded the last reel, posted one already, recorded the last one, gonna post it after the gym. Got also my stories, finished a school course that I wanted to do, backtested, and now it is time for leg day, baby. Time for leg day, I'm prepared, and yeah, I just wanna train, bro. I don't know what it is, but since November, I just have this urge to go to the gym every day. I wanna train hard every single day, and I got this, like, I don't know what it is, I got this gym vibe again. I like the gym a lot right now. I used to love it 2 years ago. I started doing more like calisthenics, sprinting. Still, of course, went to the gym, but not as often. W leg day, bro. Wow, wow, wow. So back was really nice, and actually gotta put in some calories now, cause I need some. I got some left, burn a lot, and got some food right here. Of course, everything happy, buckwheat, ground beef, and some raw cheese. Oops, and I have 650 more, like around 650, 700 more. And I have already an idea in mind, maybe raw milk with some dates, cashews, and honey. I think they'll be good. Guys, you need to appreciate everything, because not everything is granted. You should be really grateful for what you have, because there's always someone more struggling, and you can always be in a worse position. So be happy, be grateful, and enjoy your life.
Wow, what is good, boys? So it is Tuesday, and I won't be trading today just because it's a bank holiday. I think I told y'all last night. I have peaked in Asia, but nothing there. A whole lot of chop. Already done some work, backtested June 24. I'm just gonna gather more data, because like as soon as I started trading the continuation model, the one that I'm trading right now, when I switched from reversals to continuations, I needed to gather some data, and I did it not properly. I still backtested, like accumulated I think 8 or 9 months. So separate journal right here, and actually going pretty well. I'm doing like 1 month a day, so I don't burn myself out. So I think I'll just focus for the rest of 2024, for like July, August, September, November, December. I will focus on trading this just simple, my A+ setups that I really have a lot of confidence in, like I've been doing right now. Like the most mechanical A+ setup, and everything's lining up like literally a perfect trade. That's like what I've been always looking for when I'm backtesting 2024. I think that's the reason why I have I think that's the reason why I have such a low frequency in trading, because I've been actually looking for the most perfect A+ setup where everything aligns. And yeah, I just keep doing this, build my discretion, and maybe in live markets I'll take something more discretionary. But yeah, ate my pre-workout, boom, drank some coconut water, some banana, buckwheat, bro, and now quick shower, and then boxing, abs, some neck training. Hype, bro. Guys, my tip for y'all: don't stress out. We all started trading for freedom, and when we get bank holidays, you should be happy for another day, for another week, for another day off. Because if you are not happy about a bank holiday, you are focused on your short-term progress in trading. You are focused on a day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month basis. It doesn't work like that, guys. Long-term, if your strategy is profitable and you follow your rules, you should be profitable over a year and make money. So focus on that, and not the short-term satisfaction, progress, and P&L. W workout, boys. Now filling up my body again with some rice, grilled veggies, and ground beef. Looks really nice. I love this. And like expected, boys, look at that. This is market open candle right here. And we actually chopped, then started going down with low volume. This is how the 1 minute looks like. Really ugly. That's why I don't trade bank holidays. You may trade them if your strategy works, but I do not. And yeah, W, all glory to God. I just came back home from working, guys. It's not for me, bro. I don't like doing work, and like, I love to put in work into the businesses I do, but not a normal job. I just need to make a meal, and I did this right here. Of course, 6 eggs, some dark chocolate, banana, and raw honey. It looks wrong, right? It looks like I did some to my banana and chocolate, but yeah, just raw honey, some eggs, and W's. It's
third day of the week, and yeah, boys, no bank holiday today, nothing. So we are about to trade in, wait, let me see what's the time. 1.5 hours, 1 hour 20 minutes, around that time. Let me close my door and gotta fuel up myself first. Raw honey, raw milk, 2 eggs and banana. Yo boys, so done trading. We actually took one trade and let me show it to you. But first of all, rice, chicken, some apple and banana. Gonna upload a video today as well. I live traded this whole session. I wanna do a complete raw live footage, but I don't know whether I upload the whole hour that I was trading or like cut it down to parts where I talk about something, because I also provided a lot of value, I think. Look how bullish we are. Like it seems really, really bullish. Everything is bullish. We have these nice highs, these highs as well, but we also got like a crazy SMT like this, I think. What does this 5-minute candle tell us? It tells us that we want to go lower. What are the next targets? This low, I would say this low is fine as well. This nice low, maybe this 1 hour, this 1 hour fair value gap as well. And of course this, which is also a daily bullish gap right here, as you can see. And yeah, hop on the 5 minute, we see this place down, fire. So draw is confirmed, you want to go lower, right? 0 entries to the first draw, and then look how we actually start chopping around the first draw. We are not immediately displacing lower, retracing, flipping, and then we can take a trade to the next low. No, we start chopping for like 8 candles and then we get 1 candle down. So this is the trade I avoided. Some people took this shit, but I just didn't like it because we have literally 0 retraces. We could easily wick us out. We have a 5-minute gap above us, as you can see right here. Boom, I don't really care about that, but it's just a fact that you should consider. And we are also literally not displacing for this first low. So literally 0 trades right here. And at this point, when we get this down candle, look what ES is doing. This is the same, like, look, this is the entry. At this point, ES is still more bullish. It's still pumping higher. I think only at this point the draw is confirmed that you want to go lower, but NQ already took this all of this draws with this candle, and the next target is right here. So if we look at that, we are at this point like 100 points away from the draw. Boom, we start displacing through the draw liquidity, but then we reject higher. What we reject of? Let's mark it out, a 1 hour gap. Okay, I wanted to see us dump through this 1 hour gap, but we didn't get any promising candles, only like right here. But I was looking at that, I just wanted to see one more leg down, up, and then go lower. We didn't get it actually. What did we do instead? We retraced higher really slow. Like, you see this, right? We retraced higher into what? Into a 15-minute gap. We get a 15-minute gap tap. This was my condition, because I saw, okay, we are overextended. I don't want to take something on the 1 minute right here. This is like a 1 minute retrace. I was talking about it on my live footage. I don't want to take this because the higher time frame, we need to align the higher time frame to lower time frame, right? So boom, we get a slow retrace into this 50-minute gap. Even though we tick it, it's still a retrace. And look at these 2 beautiful candles. These candles together, 2 candles, almost 70 points. So at this point, we are literally dumping through everything. We completely invalidated this whole structure, and bro, I just entered somewhere around here, boom, and I target the next draw. It is 116 points away, yes, but looking at what volume we have right here, like 2 candles, 70 points. If we get another 2 candles like these, draw liquidity is it. As soon as we came back lower and took this internal low, I went break even and I got stopped out. On the same candle, I think it moved lower. I went break even immediately because I didn't want to risk anything in this chop. At this point, like when you're chopping like this, I knew it's like a bit of a gamble. Either we wick me out and then go lower, but price clearly already met its target. The volume is dying. We don't want to go lower now, so let's see. And yeah, actually my draw liquidity was pretty much right. We edged it right here. Yeah, got stopped out, break even, slowly chopped to the downside. I think this is an A+ trade. We get a nice retrace on the higher time frame as well. Only thing, literally there's only one thing that throws us off, is basically we displaced 200 points of open. We are starting to slow down in this 1 hour gap, and basically that's it, guys. I think other than that, this is a really valid trade. This looks really, really nice. I took something like this. It looks actually really good. So I don't know what to say. So key things that I'm writing down: overextended, volume dying in a 1 hour gap, and the draw isn't confirmed yet, I would say. Basically, that's it.
Let's make some food together. I think my filter is still on, the red light filter. I hope you can't really see that. But I got myself for the morning 5 eggs, some cottage cheese, nice blackbird coffee. I don't know what it is, but nice real coffee, all cooked on a stainless steel pan with butter only, of course. Eggs is the best food, guys. Don't miss out on that. What a wonderful way to start the day, guys. The sun is shining. It's November. We got like 16 or 17 degrees Celsius, not using Fahrenheit. Bullshit. And pre-market. Market opens in exactly 2 hours. And already had some pre-workout, some rice, 2 eggs, red beet juice for pump and shit, and just consumed a banana, honey, and dates. Perfect pre-workout. Everything's perfect. Everything starts perfect. Perfect day. I love this, and now I'm gonna get my push day in. Bro, it was one of the best push days I've ever had. I'm so pumped right now. You can't see this, unfortunately, bro. Wait. Turning on my PC right now. Market opens in 23 minutes. As you guys know, Europe and stuff like this. Oh, gang, look at this beauty. All glory to God, glorifying God through the body. You don't see it on the screen. Right here. Yeah, whatever. It was nice. What can I say? It was beautiful. Gonna prepare some food real quick and then hop on the charts, make my analysis for Discord and trade. And then we'll see us after I'm locked out. Bro, what the actual fuck is this? So much shit happening. Every single one in my Discord, also me, including other people, the people that I learned from, all the people in this Discord, every single one, everybody lost a trade that I took. And me too. Look at this, everybody lost right here. Boom, I call everything out. I look so fucking free. I think it's a statistical loss, not gonna lie. Gonna learn from that. Still can learn something, I think. Everything lagged, I couldn't switch time frames, and out of nowhere, I get stopped out. Okay, it hits stop loss, I'm fine with that. And I see my stop loss doesn't get triggered. And I'm really happy. Look, let me show you. So I'm waiting for this setup, watching some Fortnite clips, and I'm in this, right? Boom. And it looks really nice, and then look what happens. We take my stop loss. Look at me. And I'm thinking, bro, what is this? It doesn't stop me out. I'm already over my loss limit that I wanted to take. I'm actually crashing out. And I just got locked out of Alpha. Alpha is apparently down, Project X down, as soon as I entered the trade. Like, my mentor just told that this trade is cooked because we disrespected the first condition. Bro, I don't know, I think it's such a cope because let me just go over the trade, okay? If you look at the 5-minute time frame, you can see we are clearly dumping, okay? 1 hour, we finally start to push lower, and I told the Discord if we kinda came back in the range, we are targeting this 1 hour gap. We already took all the lows pre-market, so the only valid target is this new week opening gap, high and low. Off market open, look, we retrace into a 5-minute gap and we start immediately displace lower. What is this? Nice, confirming that the raw liquidity is lower. Why? Because the second candle also displaces even bigger. Look at these candles, guys. We stopped 23 points, I think. What is this? Let me quick. We stopped 12 points above the before the high and like 50 points before the low. And reverse. And I actually thinking, fire, we get a retrace, right? Boom. What do we have to retrace into? We got this 5-minute gap right here. This first 5-minute gap. We got the second 5-minute gap. And we also just opened this 50-minute gap right here. Let me mark it in orange. What did I see? We come up, price doesn't respect the first 5-minute gap, goes back higher, respects the second 5-minute gap. And what do I see on ES? On ES, we already tapped the 50-minute gap, which makes me even more convinced into the trade, because what do we have right here? An SMT. Boom. I don't really care about that, but ES tapped the 50-minute gap and NQ didn't, and we react on NQ of the 5-minute gap. And of course, right now my draw liquidity is right. We just took
this new week opening gap. We didn't even retrace into anything. Not only 1 hour, not only 50 minutes. It's like literal bullshit. I think it's a statistical loss. I don't care about the first 5 minute condition being disrespected. This is so bullshit, bro. This is literally cope. If you tell me, guys, I'm coping about my loss, fuck you, literally, because, bro, I think it's the most obvious setup. And then what do we get right here? We slow down, boom, diddy candle, 40 points. Next candle, 30 points. Immediately entry. This is the most A+ setup I've ever seen. Boom, you can target this, whatever. I targeted right here. I would have trailed. And yeah, stop me out. Alpha kicked me out. Project X is down. Of course, now we're gonna fill the full gap. And yeah, of course it failed because of the first condition. Shut the fuck up, bro. Even if we look at the higher time frame, look how we retraced into this 5 minute gap, into my second condition, and then we literally inversed a bullish gap. So it doesn't make any sense for us to go higher. Then we go higher, inverse a 50-minute bullish gap, and immediately dump lower to take the new week opening gap. Does it make any sense, bro? No, it doesn't. So I don't know what to do. It is what it is. I hope my loss gets reverted. It would be so nice. I think it's something from God, bro. Must have been an angel by my side. Because all glory to God, all thanks to God. It's supposed to be like this. All the losses got reverted. I'm sitting here drinking my super pop drink. Usually I don't drink stuff like this, but it is actually really good. No sugar, only water, some apple cider vinegar, some fiber, also bacteria for your gut health. Really nice. And it's stevia, yeah, sweetened with stevia, all natural, really fire, nice drink. W's in the chat. And bro, I'm sitting here right now and I actually see, boom, Alpha Futures announcement. What do I see? Notice board from Project X. Boom, they encounter some disruptions. Alpha will handle it. None of your profitable trades will be affected. Losses, all losses will be voided. I still wouldn't care even if they wouldn't void the loss, because I was so confident. I was okay with losing this. It was really fine. And yeah, still a W, another W, bro. A fire day. Actually completed all my work. Just need to go to actually work, clean some stuff in about 1.5 hours, and then done for the day. Yo, what is good, guys? I'm actually using an extra flashlight right here because I tried recording and you actually don't see anything. It is 6:20 in the morning and I'm actually doing my work right here. Oh, and he just turned off the lights. I just want to show you how dark it actually is at 6 a.m, which pisses me off. I hate the winter just because for this reason. Also, it gets dark really early, like at 4:40 p.m. or something like that, and it's still dark, bro. It's so depressing, actually. Like what is this, bro? You can't even see anything. There's the moon, and it's just completely dark. But yeah, whatever. Gonna complete my stuff, my morning routine, and then I'm going to work. Ooh. Thanks to God. Quick little update, guys. I'm a bit late. Oh, actually I hope this stays like this and doesn't fall. My keyboard doesn't work. I don't know why. And in 4 minutes, market will open. I just came from the gym like literally 20 seconds ago. Immediately, like, I couldn't, of course, cook something, but I got myself 620 milliliters or like grams of raw milk that I'm gonna chuck down. Will trading, and yeah, market's about to open. Announce the bias to my Discord and then just chill. Ended up not taking anything. We pumped 600 points to the upside, a lot of targets, nice drawn liquidities, but bro, we didn't get anything. Like, basically it was shit. In my opinion, nice volume day. I wanted to see this 1 hour unfilled getting tapped, this 1 hour unfilled. We got this 4 hour unfilled, I think, yes, this one right here, and we also got another 4 hour, as you can see right here. We are really overextended. We need to retrace. We took out this low, we got an SMT below, so I just really want to see us going up higher. And off open we get actually a decent setup, but not my model, that's why I didn't take it. We retraced lower and then we got a 100-point candle to the upside. Like, this is a solid trade to take, I can't lie. I actually wanted to take it, but it's literally not my model, so I'm not taking it, not risking anything. And then look at this, straight pumped with literally zero retraces, zero nice displacements. like anything. And right here I was offline as soon as we hit the last draw liquidity. But yeah, as you can see, basically nothing to take. This was too risky for me, I can't lie. This was kind of chopped, bro. Even with a bigger stop, I don't know. Didn't like anything at all. Now, some potatoes, ground beef, sourdough bread, and just finishing my task for the day. Pretty fire. Low-key, I just wanted to mention that as the end of my vlog. Actually a super nice week. I'm really happy. I reviewed all the trades with my mentor, and like I'm not on a one-to-one mentorship, but we got like group calls reviewing the trades. Wow. And actually the ones that I took, the trade on Wednesday that was break even, and the trade on yesterday that was also break even, that I lost actually, those were both super nice setups. He told me he liked them. It's actually valid to go break even on the Wednesday one, and yesterday's loss was also super valid. So I'm really happy overall. So yeah, stay tuned, boys. Thank you for watching. Every social media and Discord is in the description if you want to save 10% on Alpha Futures accounts. Use my code Milad, and yeah, have a nice day.